If you're trying to install, upgrade, or update to Windows 11 and you see this message, this PC doesn't currently meet the Windows 11 system requirements, then keep watching and I'll show you how to fix it. From the taskbar search, let's type regedit and open the registry editor. Now let's copy this path from the video's descriptions and paste it into the address bar at the top. And hit enter. Next, let's copy the registry string also listed in the descriptions. Right-click on an empty space in the right pane. Select New, then choose dword 32-bit value. Paste that name you copied earlier, then double-click on it and set the value to 1. Click OK and close the registry editor. And restart your PC for the changes to take effect. After the restart, go to your Windows 11 setup file and double-click on it to run. This time, it should start without any issues. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.